What's happening, y'all? It's Sunday. You know how we do. We get in this playbook so we can get in our bag on Monday. Now, I want y'all to be careful this upcoming week because earnings is coming. We got AMD reporting earnings. We got Google reporting earnings. So this is a big earnings week coming up. But I'm going to show y'all my AMD play for last week on Friday. And I'm going to get into what AMD can do on Monday. All right, so on the last trading day, AMD did a gap down, right? And usually when it does a gap down, you expect a gap and go, right? But it did a little fake out. Now it did come down, but it went back up. So just because of gaps, I don't always base my trading right off of gaps. What I do, I wait 15 minutes, right? So after waiting 15 minutes, that's when I got this play. I waited 15 minutes, but after the 15 minutes was over, I got in right here on this candle and I rolled this candle down here. It was a quick 15-minute play. I made a quick $500, right? So that was my play. I rolled 2 candles down. This is a game you got to get in and get out. Unless if the stock is running, then run with it. But don't stay in it too long. Get in and get out. Leave some money on the table that in case you are wrong and you get emotional, you want to hold on for a while, you do that. Or if you see another trade like this one coming down like that, then, you know what I'm saying, you could get in that one or you could get back in it and ride it back up. But you could do multiple trades in a day. Just make sure that you're precise. So let's get precise. On Monday, I'm seeing what looks like it could be a bull flag. Right? It looks like that could be a bull flag, but it's not a confirmed bull flag just yet. You don't enter this trade. If it's going up, you don't enter this trade unless it reaches that support, that resistance level. And once it breaks through that resistance, then you can enter the trade on the bullish side, right? So let me draw out some resistance levels. We got resistance right here. That's resistance. We got resistance right here. We don't have another level of resistance until about that area, right? So these are the 3 levels that you want to look at for the upside. These are take profit levels. If it look like, if it busts through this first one, then you take profit here. And if it busts through that one, you take profit there. But it can always go up to touch it and then pop down. So pay attention to your support and resistance levels. So let's look at resistance, right? We got support, my bad. We got a strong support right there. And we got another support right here. So if the stock is going down and it touches support, it could bounce off, it could run through, but those are times where you want to look at your entry. So if it's going to do the bull flag, you wait until it breaks through this 170, 178.5 area right here. You wait for it to break through there. But in pre-market, if the stock is going down and it looks like it's not going to do the bull flag, then you want to either exit the trade there or exit the trade there. We also got a gap. And usually gaps get filled within a couple days. That's not always the case, right? But we got this gap down here. So that's your last level of support. If it's going down, it could go as low as this 169 area, right? So that's what you're looking for. That's what you're looking for on AMD Monday. I'll probably post another video later on today to talk about earnings, how I'm trading earnings, and what you should expect for earnings. But if you miss either one of these videos, it's good education. Y'all like and subscribe, man, so I can help y'all get to this money.